This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry. Begin by building a strong foundation. Focus on understanding core concepts such as atomic structure, bonding, and molecular geometry. These are the building blocks for everything else. Don't just memorize, strive to truly grasp why reactions happen. This initial effort will save you significant time later on, making complex topics much clearer. Next, dive deep into reaction mechanisms. This is where organic chemistry truly comes alive. Instead of rote memorization, understand the why behind each step. Draw out mechanisms repeatedly, focusing on electron movement with curved arrows. Practice predicting products and reagents for a wide range of reactions. This active learning approach solidifies your understanding and improves problem-solving skills significantly. Effective problem-solving is crucial. Work through as many practice problems as possible, from simple to complex. Don't shy away from multi-step synthesis problems. They force you to integrate different reactions. Try to solve problems without looking at the answers first. Discussing challenging concepts with classmates can also provide new perspectives and reinforce your learning, making the material stick better. Finally, consistent review is key to long-term retention. Organic chemistry builds upon itself, so regularly revisit earlier chapters. Create your own summary sheets or flashcards for important reactions, reagents, and mechanisms. Don't hesitate to use online resources, like video tutorials, to clarify difficult concepts. This continuous reinforcement will ensure you're well prepared for exams and future studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.